Limelight, limelight. Been there, done that. Just want to get my mind right.
Reaction.
Hey. Oh gosh, just to give you a little teaser. What's going to be some more TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? Back in the video for you guys to hear a song from Masicka. It's called Limelight. People, I think this is Masicka's second song for this year. Not second song, sorry. Not second song. Take it back. Let me see them way now. But I could see if I go 2 for 2. You see me I say? Because I try and tell you the last video I'm dropping for real now. You see me I say? I could see if I go 2 for 2 with the hit song in this series. It's another hit song from Masicka, Limelight. You see me I say? We'll see if we can keep it up. Remember when 600 does a drop song, we American and when 600 drop song in the people. You see me in drop the first one and I remember the name of them bumbo clubs or whatever. Like it's stiffy. You know? You might drop them back and back like Blueface. No, look at the Blueface. Remember that when Blueface drop 30 and then drop the next one and the next one. And then all hit songs then they drop back and forth. Every drop and drop is a hit song, you know. You can see what I'm going for Masicka right now, man. Don't know drop. Leave a like on the video, comment on this video, comment right there in the next video that I post. Follow me on Instagram at Life of Tyrek. Let's get straight to the video. I can see what I'm going. It's early like in the morning right now. I think it's like, what time is it? Hey Siri, what time is it? 3:24 a.m. I was trying to give you a bad reaction. Let's get straight to the video. You don't know it's chop already. Alright. For the gal or not for the gal? I don't know why. I'm not to eat it. Ready? Hey, we can't tell you the video I got bad already. Just after all the scene, the setup, the build up. I go bad. Go on.
You don't have to call me back.
Fuck.
You don't have to call me back.
Billboard number 4. The album right after the track Triumph. Which one that? After the album. Oh, because I do the most yes, I do the number 1 album, no? Alright.
Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Jordan in 9 prime when I shock on my skill. Charge 199 when I stack up the mill.
Well, nah, people dance. So guess what? I'm lonely at the top of the hill. I'm alone up there. Nobody there for him level. That's a giant with a pro dime. In a prime. Masicka talk your talk.
I'm stuck in a crime and I top of them still. Yeah. Me dump with them no rest because I shot and we kill. Yeah. Run out of some flash, my pocket pack and me chill.
What's about it up with them?
Charge 199 when I stack up the mill. Me dog stuck in a crime and I top of them still. Me
dog stuck in 9 crime and bad I'm still. Charge up in 9. Well, go on, Masicka.
Me dump with them no rest because I shot and we kill. Run.
It's too early. Alright, not too early yet. I could listen some more, my son, man.
That's how my flash, my pocket pack and me chill.
Yeah.
Do me jump and chase the dreams, and man, I let them will.
Yeah.
2 pack in 9 prime with a shock on my skill.
Oh
Free me
gosh, everybody let them pray with a shock and Masicka skill right now. That's that gonna make you know. He that go from Jordan to 2 pack now. Oh my gosh, man. Run back. Run it.
But chase the dreams, and man, I let them will. 2 pack in 9 prime with a shock on my skill.
What?
Free me demons for the money, fuck the fame, you.
Free your demons for the money. You dog I say fuck the fame. Someone else just hungry for the fame, but guess Masicka say he man on the top of the hill. So I expect him to then on top of one hill in that video because the video I say what green is going in that video and I say go on!
Umbrella in the road signs for the rain, you.
Yeah!
Man when I'm on the outside with pain, you.
Yeah!
Could you follow me and if them take the same road? I got that alone, you.
Hear that? Umbrella, listen what the dog has to people.
Fuck the fame, you.
Umbrella
in the road signs for the rain, you.
For the what? You like that walk? You like that walk? Talk to them, Masicka.
Man when I'm on the outside with pain, you.
What?
Them could follow me and if them take the same road.
Even if they take the same road, then can't follow him. When you can't walk in the shoes and Masicka walk, I think that gonna make her know right now. Talk your talk.
I got that alone, you. Oh, yeah. Pull up, be a coupe. Me get them stay cute. Me got them aim short. And if
as the dog say, I'm alone there on the hill. That house they call the getaway house on top of the hill. Pull up. Be a coupe. What you coop them?
Pull up, be a coupe. Me get them
genocide.
running stay cute. Me got them And if me come in her belly, what a great youth. Me style them out of
Wanna hear that?
me got them aim short. And if me come in her belly, what a great youth. Me style them out of this world, got my space suit.
Me come in our belly, what a great youth. Cause him have youth, him not dash on a belly. And youth are gonna be what? Great. Go on!
Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
Drive that, wreck that, spend that, make that blood clot back. And the dog cut him own land. The dog maintain him own thing. Oh gosh! And I even know the video. Watch your style, yeah. I like it. Go on.
Limelight. Been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot. Yeah, me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood.
You know, say pull up her ends, that'll be a gunshot. I like the video, I like it singing, I like what I go on, I like what I go on for that video. I like that video, yeah. I like his song, to one thing. Hit or miss. I don't there for other people. Hit or miss. You see me, I say, I mean, make sure someone get that video too now. You see me, I say, run it.
Clap back at us the limelight. I'm in a like that dog. Have a girl on me just strike that hard.
Alright.
Life cash, you know, life and card. But the eye.
Me don't like that dog. Have a girl on me just strike that hard. Hola.
Just strike that hard.
Yeah.
Life cash, you know, life and card.
Yeah.
But the eye, we a drive that bad.
Alright.
Talk, but them a try that fraud.
What can I talk? Him say people like him right now. Still watch me to that party right now. It's a mess. So we are trying to break down that song from it first, from top to bottom, burn up on the bottom again. We try to break down that song. Like what I go on right now. Why am I down?
But the eye, we a drive that bad.
Yeah.
That a broke talk, but them a try that fraud. Yeah, we up dog, let me find all nine yard.
Oh, let's say find Ellen here, like say open that Ellen. Jesus Christ. But what kind of broke talk? Me not want miss nothing what I'm saying. What is broke talk?
Life cash, you know, life and card. But the eye, we a drive that bad. That a broke talk, but them a try that fraud. Yeah, we up.
What am I try that fraud? Hold on. Me last, him lose me. Me not gonna let him lose me. Me da get everything until I part them. Me vex. And me not go 3-4 hours back in the song. Burn up on that. But go on.
Dog, let me find all nine yard.
Yeah.
Me funds no dry, my lad.
Alright.
Me guns no hide, my lad.
Hear that? Hey, hold on. What you say about him fans them? What you say about him guns them?
Me funds no dry, my lad.
Alright.
Me guns no hide, my lad.
None at all.
The dogs are 5-9 dark.
Alright.
Me junks are life I spark.
Oh my gosh, this man. He light on the walk from one day to another. The kitchen light on the walk in the dog. The kitchen light on the walk from one day to another. People with their vibes, so I met a song. Early in the morning, people think about the song right now so far. Hit or miss, Masicka, Limelight. Talk to me in the comment section. Run through that Friday morning here.
She love her and I cock.
Alright.
She clump up and I shot.
Alright.
She love the hang that fast.
Alright.
She rum the bomb that flash.
What? She love to do what?
She love the hang that fast.
Alright.
She rum the
Hold on. She love to do what?
life I spark. She love her and I cock.
Uh-huh.
She clump up and I shot.
Alright. Oh, you mean, baby? Which is only right, baby. Oh my gosh, she's running your side.
She love the hang that fast.
Alright.
She rum the bomb that fast. The ground where black man cross.
Deaf? Go on.
Sit down the watchman clocks. Limelight. Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right.
Dog have all them bumbuckler plaques them people. You know just have the billboard plaque. The dog have him YouTube 1 million subscriber plaque.
Limelight.
Watch there. All I drove there for my kid from school days. Watch the awards. Oh my gosh. Bumbuckler. I wish to the chorus already, so I know the chorus already, so I'll skip to the second verse now. I want to watch the video. Watch the video. I can watch it and talk about it. Because I know the chorus already. I know the chorus. Watch it.
Been there, done that, just want to get my mind right. Let me drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
Who that brother people? Me don't know him.
Right. Let me drive that,
Make that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
Limelight.
Man, you didn't tell the dog. This is where the nigga in the day I wish for London in this. I know that scene from you make a little vlog when we go over London. You see me I say so. I know that scene. Yeah. People wait about this time. I call that reason. But that's the reason we're doing today, people. I know me a pause a while for we are talking about it, but guess what? I make sure to post a video phone. You see me I say I don't want the video to get black and I can't watch a bad video. So talk to me. I want to think about the song. I like the video. You see me I say him could have stick to the hillside video, the hillside scene in the cottage and thing. You see me I say could have stick to that one day. You see me I could have stick to that one day and just do everything there so. But I like when I put in this night. I'm going to say what I put in and I like what I go on, man. What your thoughts? Drop it down in the comments. I like what you comment on the video. As you can see, I put in the comments what I said and I started the video though. Very true.
Limelight, been there, done that. Pull up hands, a be a gunshot, and just the limelight. Keep shine.
My question is in a Masicka, how the girl like you so much? If you're a female right now, watch a bad reaction right now. Why you like Masicka? Drop it down in the comment section. You want to know why you like Masicka and not Bumbleclad me. Me jealous, you know? That may make you know what to do. Right?
In blessing a real timing. The G piling, the cash team smiling.
Yeah.
The street finding, my gap no cheap styling.
Yeah.
We do this calm and our sun, the peace boiling. Bend some.
Bro, sorry to disturb your peace. We have a small issue to address. Oh my gosh, it's I get somebody get them in shell done right now. But the dog say, me no want fly over nothing when I'm saying at the second verse. Listen.
Shining blessing a real timing. The G piling, the cash team smiling.
You hear that? The G piling, the cash team keeps smiling. Because them like what Masicka do. Them like he move where man make and he not make a little pian move. You know what I say? Run it!
It's cheat finding, my gap no cheap styling.
Yeah.
We do this calm and our sun, the peace boiling. Bend some.
You doesn't do it calmer than enough. I'm Masicka, I'm here, I have to talk too much blood clot. I'm create a side tune.
And put some in hiding. Big food, a big food, they get a child.
Hold on, it's a boss song. Hold on, I don't want to miss nothing.
Bend some and put some in hiding.
Bend some and put some in a hiding. Hold on. I don't want him to talk about. Go on.
Big food, a big food, they get a child. Bring stop who? Stop what? No stop rhyming.
No can't tap in general. The dogs, what kind of hold on? Listen.
Big food, a big food, they get a child. Bring stop who?
Big food, they get a child and bring people. That's the Masicka. What is the Masicka? Big food, they get a...
Oh, stop what? No stop rhyming. The black hat, my strap, me not sliding. Me stop that.
Black hat. Hold on, man.
Stop what? No stop rhyming. The black hat, my strap, me not sliding. Me stop that.
Hey, dogs, I guess what? The black cat is still strapping, not sliding. I can't catch him locking. Masicka. Hit our Bumbleclad. Makes me ask you again. Run the rest of the tune.
Anything we drop, me keep rising. Chat, run up on me, a suicide king. Fresh, like say ya Louis sign him. Shark match your blood.
You hear that? Fresh, like say ya Louis. I be a Louis boy if real, you know? See that get dressed, see that like him a road in a I want to park up my car, I want to park up out the door. He just aside the bike or maybe the Porsche and park up out there. I want Porsche park up out there. I remember one because I started the video now. My roll out door. Go on.
Glad shoes, do the right thing. Archie make us big legacy. Pussy them hype with little vehicle harness. Remedy.
And now like somebody out there really hype with Bumbleclad vehicle in the scene. I'm gonna say someone gonna make some video talk about Masicka this in a Limelight and reality. Bumbleclad. Me hope say I don't hit him. Me hope say I don't hit him by this. Because my boy just buy a new car. Me hope say I don't hit him by this to blood clock. I know some people are gonna talk about Masicka this. Who did Masicka this in Limelight and you know the man with the review. I do blood clock reaction video. I react to music. You see me I say. Someone come and say, oh Masicka this TJ because he buy a new Benz and reality. I ain't say, man, I don't know the dog. I mean, Masicka and TJ having no type of beef, you know, but maybe they don't know about hitting a dog. But someone hype with Benz, with vehicle, Benz, someone hype with vehicle and NSC. Masicka dog.
Archie make us speak legacy. Pussy them hype with little vehicle and NSC. Remedy. Chargematic for me enemy. All the code.
Watch it. Look at it. Dog. I like your blood club here, dog. I like the attention to detail, dog. But vehicle and NSC. Who am I talk? Because I know what's the favorite review man that come out and say, oh, Masicka this TJ. Watch your style. Just watch your blood clot style.
Get the brand and watch me energy. I'm God. Limelight. Been there, done that. Just want to get my mind right. Yeah, me
Like I wrote in at the Porsche. If you don't done enough, can I repeat the chorus again? You see, you see, I just like it and then give it 2 bumbuckler verse, solid bumbuckler verse. You see me, I say, I repeat the chorus and 2 times and I hit that. And then I say, someone come out and sing all the chorus at 3 times and 1 verse will get the bumbuckler. I say, what you say there? I want the blood clot, this other song this. You see me, I say, we get a solid video and a solid song from Masicka. 3 minutes and 48 seconds with a song from Masicka right there. So someone like the drop song and a drop around 1 minute and 30 seconds now one song. And the rest of the bumbuckler video, them a chat. Bumbuckler.
drive that, break that, spend that, make that blood clot back.
Them dead.
Limelight. Been there, done that.
Hampton music.
Big up Empta. Walla. That is the
Limelight.
working time.
Hampton
Gotta always remember that.
music.
Get the studio active. Limelight. Insta. Oh, this is the song while I mad. Cause I'm thinking say we have a little issue for adjustment. You know, I want them to talk about it. Good. Yo, no I never. You man wake up yourself, you do a rap, you do a wonderful job with a blood clot music video. I like it. Yeah man. Limelight. We like it. Bad. Big up all the Masicka fandom as usual. Right now, drop a bumbuckler. I want to watch your Masicka is again. Drop it in the comment section. Remember, drop it. If you watch the video to the part, I want to comment the number 6 in the comment section. Just drop the number 6 in the comment section. You know what I say? Madam say, why do I comment number 6 confuse the bumbuckler crowd none man? Drop 6 in the comment section right now. There. Bad bumbuckler, bad. I like it, man. It's like a movie me just watch. That man I tell you. Well, I tune out to that video,